I'm Travis Story, one of the attorneys here at the Story Law Firm. Today we're talking about Arkansas LLCs and why that might be the solution for your small business needs. There's a couple of things to know about a limited liability company. That's what LLC stands for. The LLC is geared to be a flexible entity that we actually conduct business in that provides the owners, or as the legal term is, the members, with a liability protection so that anything that would happen inside the business doesn't actually affect the personal financials of the members, those who are the owners of the LLC. We do this to make sure that what's inside the business stays in the business. So if the business was to get sued, it would be the named defendant. It would also be liable for whatever the amount of the judgment might be in the lawsuit, but only as to the assets of the business. You can see where this is very advantageous for you. If you have assets outside of the business, those would never come under attack because the only thing that would be subject to the liability of the LLC are the assets of the LLC. So you could end up with a situation where the LLC has a substantial amount of assets, but not a whole lot of assets, meaning that if someone brought a really large suit against the LLC, they would be limited to whatever maybe insurance was available and the assets of the actual LLC itself, not the broader assets of the members. This is one of the many key reasons why you should look at forming your Arkansas LLC. We here at the Story Law Firm want to make sure that we can help you with this transition. In order to form your LLC properly, we have to make sure that we have the right documentation, we have the right owners, and we're cognizant of also how we're going to tax the LLC. In another one of our videos, we talk about the differences between partnership taxation, the sole proprietor, kind of the pass-through taxation, and the S-Corp. There are very different strategies and very different tax advantages that you may be able to receive because inside an Arkansas LLC, we have what's called check the box taxation. When we check the box, we can decide how we want to tax that LLC. So you can end up with the best of both worlds. You can end up with an LLC, which does have great advantages with limited formalities. We don't have to do the annual shareholders meeting, the officers' notes, the memorandums, the resolutions. We can operate an LLC much more effectively. And then we can have the best of both worlds with the tax side to say, let's figure out how we want to be taxed. If we want to be taxed as an LLC, taxed as an S corporation, we can do that. If we want to be taxed as an LLC with partnership taxation, we can do that too. That's why it's imperative that you pick a qualified attorney who understands business to help you form your Arkansas LLC, because we can help walk you through not only the entity selection, whether or not you'd want to be a corporation or this LLC, we can also walk you through the tax selection to pick the thing that's going to ultimately be the best for you, your family, your other members or partners, and your LLC. I look forward to speaking to you soon so we can set up your entity.